Look, it might be Amazon Prime Week, the 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th. Today is the 9th. But you know what? Amazon's not the only one having fun. I think somebody else is having fun. That's what we're going to talk about in this video right here. All right, so on Northern Tools website, if you're trying to find different drills and things for an ecosystem, especially for us DIYers out here, there's so many deals going on right now. Every day is going to be different. So like this right here, order today to get this price. Tomorrow will be something else. But you also get the reciprocal saw as well with this one right here. You also get the battery with this one right here. So look, you're saving $50 on the grease gun right here. You're saving $50 on this combo kit right here. This one ain't a huge savings. You can actually get a better deal. Keep in mind, they're going to be doing their deals this whole week. But these prices here are normally their deals, even when it's not this week here and all the way up to Christmas time. So in Christmas time, they come out with their 20 days of Christmas, whatever, and you get so many more deals. But look at this. You get free batteries. This is the tool only, but yet you're getting a free battery with it. I mean, $40 for this. It's a 1/2-inch impact. The 1/4-inch impact, $34.99. And you get a free battery with it. I mean, you cannot beat these prices whatsoever. I wish that they would drop this multi-tool so I can grab this multi-tool for myself. But there's so many different things that Northern Tool has that you can get for friggin' dirt cheap. And saying that you can get it dirt cheap, I went ahead and did it. So back at Christmas time, I already did a unboxing of the high torque 1/2-inch, the drill, the impact driver, and I got a free grinder when I got this this one right here. Plus, they were giving out gift cards back at Christmas time. So let me get these out of the way. All right, so now that those are out of the way, what's happening is if you buy this right here, you get this right here. I already unpackaged the battery, but you do get a brand new battery in the seal package with this right here. If you get this right here, the saw, you get a battery with it as well. So free battery, and then of course the reciprocal saw, you get a free battery, right? But now, say you need the drill combo, you get that drill combo. You get this for free, and you still get the battery for free. I mean, you cannot go, especially when this thing right here alone is $100. The batteries are $35. So for me, for instance, I got these three things, and I got 3 batteries. So I got $120 with the batteries. Yes, it is their smaller 2 amp battery. I get it. It's not their big chunky one, but you know what? Extra batteries is extra batteries, no matter which way you look at it. So real quick, we're going to get into it real quick. I'm ready to check out this right here. Again, I'm fixing sort of project on some cars running around here. I got some front end work I have to do on a car. I got to replace some struts. I got to replace lower tie rod ends, upper tie rod ends, front end bushings. I got to do a whole front end on the car. So put that back in here. It's your manual, and of course your little bitty hook right here. That way you can hook it on your pants or hook it on whatever around the house. So again, this ain't gonna be a unboxing and testing. I'm just showing. Look at this, nice fit in your hand. I'm just showing the tool, and again, you get the free battery. So now you have an extra battery for all your tools. Every tool that you have will have a battery that you're getting with it. Right now, they're giving these free. If you go to Northern Tools website, check every single day. Say you need a reciprocal saw. If today you look and it's $100, look tomorrow or look 2 days from now. Unless you're needing that tool right then and there, wait a couple of days and just check their website every day, because they have these daily deals on their clutch brand. They keep adding more and more to their ecosystem right here of the clutch. I'm not going to do the unboxing of the skill saw, because I'm going to have a dedicated video that I already started on a skill saw. So you get the skill saw, you get a battery, right? Reciprocal saw, same thing. I don't know if I'm going to do a dedicated video of the reciprocal saw, but you open it up and you get the reciprocal saw. And there is a little saw blade in there. It is only for wood, but throw that down there. But it is a nice reciprocal saw. Again, you get a free battery. The other two free batteries I got, they're already on my chargers charging up. And then this one here will go on the charger when I'm done. But yeah, all of them all interchange. If you're looking for something to go in the ecosystem, hit the button. I mean, it's working. It's there. It's part of the ecosystem. If you're looking for an ecosystem for your tools, so far, I'm not a professional house builder, mechanic, or nothing else. But for a DIYer like myself, and just to do little bitty things around the house, work on my car, hang things up in the house, and I need an impact driver, it's these tools are very, very nice to have. Especially a drill. Now, I cannot compare these to Ryobi. Ryobi has a huge ecosystem. Milwaukee has a huge ecosystem, right? What else is there? There's Flex. There's Hercules by Harbor Freight. They all have their huge ecosystems. And I'm reaching out to these companies because I want to compare it because this is my very first ecosystem is right here. This clutch brand is my first ecosystem. And I'm going to tell you right now, the feel of it, how it feels in my hand, how it works for me. And I really do like it. And I'm non-sponsored by Northern Tool or Clutch, any of them. I've reached out to them as well. Let me test out some more of their products. Let me showcase it because I really, really do enjoy theirs. Again, the half inch, this right here, when you're underneath the car, this gets a little heavy up underneath there. And again, I got the big battery back at Christmas time for this one here and the 4 amp battery, but it gets pretty heavy when you're underneath there. So when I seen this on sale yesterday and you get a battery with it, I mean, that to me was a no brainer, especially for the little bitty things I have. I'm waiting on the little handheld ones, almost like a wrench style one, is what I'm waiting on them to come out with. But man, they have, I'm talking about all kinds of stuff. Look at the hammer drill right here. The hammer drill, $40 off. You get the charger, the battery, and the drill. I mean, here's just the hammer drill with no just the tool only, but right now you're getting a free battery. So you're saving $34 right here. So if you don't need a charger, you already have a charger. Look at the money you're saving. Look at the grinder. Again, I have this grinder. Could be a little bit stronger, but I have this grinder and 30 bucks off. But you're getting a free battery with it. Again, like I said, so say like the cordless bandsaw right here. It's 149, right? Wait until tomorrow or wait until the next day. This one will go on sale. This cutoff saw, this one will go on sale. This one will go on sale. Each of them have their own separate ones. I'm going to probably want to get in this reciprocal saw as well, just to have two different style reciprocal saws, just so I want to have their complete and utter ecosystem. Hopefully they'll reach out to me and we'll throw in things like the blower, the hedge trimmer, the weed eater. I would like to get into stuff like that as well. The clutch multi-tool, that is next on my list. And right now, you get a free battery with it. $44 with a free battery. I wish they would at least drop that down to about $25 and get that free battery. That would be really, really nice. But anyways, Amazon Prime isn't the only one out there. Walmart's throwing sales, Home Depot's throwing sales, everywhere is sales. But man, for this right here, every day is different right now. They got some clutch screwdrivers. This clutch brand is their house brand, and I'm going to tell you right now, they're doing really, really good at everything that I've gotten from Clutch. I've gotten their impact driver socket set, the impact socket set. I haven't had a problem. I haven't had a problem with it rounding off. Everything that I've gotten so far has worked perfect, and it's been 6 months with me using the drills and everything. The only thing on my drill is I tear up my bits, but I got a new bit set coming in. But that's no fault to Clutch. That's just I need different bits. You got to have different bits on different things. But yeah, I'm Thomas with Tomology, man. You're looking for a nice drill, a nice ecosystem to start adding in. Hopefully, they're going to start getting fans and everything else, just like Ryobi and everywhere. But yeah, once again, I'm Thomas with Tomology. Go ahead and check out this video right here. See if this is worth your hard-earned money here in 2025.